Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to buy Chinese stocks on interactive brokers step by step. I'll be using the client portal for this. First, we need to enable trading permissions for Chinese stocks. Click the user menu that's the head and shoulders icon in the top right corner. From there, click Settings, then Trading Permissions. You'll see the Trading Permissions panel with your current permissions listed. Now we'll request access to Hong Kong and China Stock Connect. Scroll down to the Stocks section and click Request or Add or Edit. Check the box for Hong Kong China Stock Connect, then click Continue. Next, you'll see the Disclosure, Agreements, screen, review, and sign the disclosures and agreements as prompted. Click Continue and follow the on-screen steps to complete this part. After that, you'll automatically see the Northbound Trader Disclosure form. This is required for trading mainland China stocks through Stock Connect. Fill in your identification, information, and give consent to share it with Hong Kong exchanges and clearing. Once you submit this, interactive brokers will assign you a trader ID and send your details to the exchange by 2:45 p.m. Hong Kong time the same day. Once your permissions are approved, go to the trade menu at the top and select Order Ticket. The Order Ticket panel will open on the left side of the screen, and you'll see all available products listed across the top. Now, we'll search for the stock you want to buy. In the search bar within the order ticket, type either the ticker symbol or company name. For Hong Kong stocks, the symbols are usually 4 digits, like 0700 for Tencent. For mainland A shares, use the ticker with the appropriate exchange code. After you type, a drop-down list of matching securities will appear. Select your stock from the list and hit Enter. You'll then see an exchange selector drop-down. Choose the exchange you want to trade on for mainland China A shares via Stock Connect. Select SEHKNTL. Once you select it, a chart will load in the middle of the page showing the current bid and ask prices. Now configure your order, click Buy Order, then enter the quantity in the quantity field. For mainland China markets, the board lot size is 100 shares, so enter your quantity as a multiple of 100. For Hong Kong stocks, check the lot size for that specific stock. It varies by issuer. Select your order type from the drop-down, usually market or limit, and if you chose limit, enter your price, set your time in force, and decide if you want the order to fill outside regular trading hours. When you're ready, you can either click Preview to see how the trade will affect your account balances, or go straight to the blue Submit Order button to place the trade. After you submit, you'll see a confirmation message and the order will appear in your active orders list. A couple of things to watch for. Mainland China stocks traded through Stock Connect are subject to a daily quota. If the quota runs out during trading hours, no more buy orders will be accepted that day. Also, keep in mind, the board lot requirements mainland markets use 100 shares per lot, but Hong Kong lot sizes vary by stock. That's the full process. Thanks for watching.